mga boss, alam nyo ba na pinagdiriwang ang 10th year nitong The One Algon Place, isang specialty hospital. So bakit nga ba ito tinatawag na isang specialty hospital? At ano ba ang mga nangyari sa kanila for the past 10 years? Kaya makakasama natin ngayong umaga mga boss, ang Executive Director ng The One Algon Place, walang iba kundi si Sir Rudin Gonzales III. Good morning.
Good morning.
At kasama rin natin si Ms. Cel Casas Gonzales, ang Quality Control Director. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so firstly, it's a specialty hospital. So very interesting siya. Bakit ba siya tinawag na specialty hospital?
Well, ganito yun. Way back 2004, we started out as a drug rehabilitation center.
Okay.
Then, 2008, naging psychiatric facility kami. Then, ngayon, we're celebrating our 10th year. Nag-evolve lang kami not only as a hospital but also as a training center.
Training center.
Yeah.
Where is it located, ma'am?
It's in Cabuyao, Laguna. Barangay Mamatid, Cabuyao, Laguna.
Okay, so 10 years of wellness and of course mental health cure for
Yes.
the health, diba? So, for the past 10 years, ano na ba yung mga developments na nakita nyo dito sa place na to?
Okay, so marami na kaming mga students, we call the patients, students. Marami nang nag-graduate.
Okay.
Yung mga 30 years na nagkaroon ng disease, ngayon teachers na sila, mga nakatapos ng high school, college, may nag-masteral na. However, we are now segueing into training. So, we want to tap the school, companies, associations, or industry to provide mental wellness in the workplace and in school.
Okay. So, very interesting to note na instead of calling them patients, tinatawag din silang students. So, bakit students? Isa ba to sa mga features kung bakit siya tinatawag na specialty hospital?
Yeah, kasi medyo alam niyo naman pag sinabing mental health, may tinatawag na quote-unquote stigma.
Yes, yes.
Na kung saan kung pa pumasok ka sa isang institusyon tulad namin, nagkakaroon ng parang negative na aspeto na kapag pumasok ka sa isang ospital na tulad nga namin, hindi well accepted pa sa Pilipinas sa ngayon. Right now, dahil nga yun ang advocacy namin, gusto namin ma-educate yung public.
Okay.
Na pag nagkaroon ka ng isang, let's say, mental health problem, normal lang to. It's
Okay.
just like taking a pill ng paracetamol na pag tinanggap mo dito sa iyong katawan, it's the same thing pag uminom ka rin ng isang pill para sa mental health.
Okay, so basically after curing them, tinitrain nyo naman sila to do workshops and all.
Exactly.
Yes.
The
Okay.
concept of the facility is a school.
Okay.
So from 6 o'clock in the morning until night, they attend certain classes.
Okay.
So pumapasok sa school.
Tapos, sino-sino, lahat ba ng students dito, basically, patients din sila or not necessarily?
Not necessarily.
So, may mga outsiders din na walang mental health na disease or what?
Yes, right now we are launching the OPAMS program. We call it Outpatient Addiction Management.
Okay.
So it's all we handle all sorts of addiction. However, outpatient sila. So may classes lang sila. We do it every Saturday.
Okay, so pag outpatient, buti, paano nyo nagagawa yung system na kailangan nilang bumalik? Kasi di ba there could be a possibility na kung outpatient sila, hindi na sila babalik.
Yes, there's a possibility. However, the program is a learning session. Kumbaga, klase siya. It's a school-based, school curriculum siya. So, they attend kasi they enjoy it. They are learning. Parang umattend ka lang sa isang klase.
Okay.
Kaya-
Sir Rudin, kanina nabanggit nyo na gumagawa kayo ng mga paraan para maging aware yung public regarding
Yeah.
dito sa matter na to. Pero before we go there, ano-ano ba yung mga features na meron yung specialty hospital ninyo?
Well, yun na nga. The place is located sa Cabuyao, Laguna. Ngayon, it's a compound within a compound. Ngayon, when you enter our compound, resort muna siya. Then, pagpasok mo dun sa resort, may isa pang gate, papasok na po dun sa ospital.
Okay.
Ngayon, ang concern lang naman namin dito is ganito. Pagpasok mo sa amin, hindi mo feel agad na na parang nakakulong ka.
Okay.
Ang dating sa amin parang nagbabakasyon lang, quote-unquote nagbabakasyon yung isang estudyante namin.
Okay. So, kanina no, sa monitor natin, nakikita natin ngayon yung, yan na ba yung
Yeah.
itsura nung...
Yes.
Yeah.
Mukha sa resort. It's a resort.
Yeah, it's a resort.
Ito yung resort and then after that, yung compound na nung parang school.
Yes.
Okay, so sa isa pang monitor natin, no, kanina nakita natin yung mga features like yung cyber wellness, cyberbullying,
Yeah.
yung mga team buildings and drug awareness program. So, basically, sino naman yung mga nagtuturo dito?
Actually, we are the trainers
Okay.
ourselves. We have
Nurse
doctors, nurses, psychiatric nurses, community mental health worker. So, it's a pool of experts. We
Alright.
have priests.
Okay,
mga-
so how do you determine na okay na sila?
In terms of treatment?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So in
And
terms
siguro
of
knowledge
treatment,
na rin with regard to your advocacies.
okay. In terms of treatment, we have a process na nagpa-panel sila, they are being evaluated, and then ina-assess sila kung pwede na sila sa community. Especially kapag nagte-training na sila dun sa resort.
Yes.
It's like they have
Okay.
an on-the-job training at
So application na rin nila yun.
Yes.
That's nice. Okay, so as we end our interview, Sir Rudin, siguro please invite our viewers, of course, to support your place, the One Algon Place, and maybe siguro alamin na rin natin kung paano nyo po ginagawa para maging aware yung public.
Okay, thank you so much for giving us this opportunity. Ngayon, 10 years na po ang The One Algon Place. We hope na mas marami pa po ang aming mga friends tulad ng PTV4 na maungkat itong lumalalang problema sa mental health.
Okay, sa inyo, ma'am.
Okay, they can visit our website. It's www.onealgonplace.com.ph.
Okay, so there we have it, mga boss. So, sana suportahan natin itong specialty hospital ng The One Algon Place kasi kakaiba talaga siya. At yung maganda dito, bukod sa natin-train yung mga patients or yung mga students natin, na bibigyan agad natin sila ng opportunity to apply lahat ng mga natutunan nila. So, good job for the past 10 years dyan sa The One Algon Place. Muli nakasama natin ang Executive Director, walang iba kundi Sir Rudin Gonzales III, at ang Quality Control Director, walang iba kundi si Ms. Cel Casas Gonzales. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so I heard also na meron din tayong mga food
Oh, yes.
dito
Oh,
sa
yes.
The One Algon Place.
Kaya kami binabalikan because of that.
Ayan, so ba't nga ba binabalikan ang The One Algon Place?